Racing just started. We have Suburban break quickly at the start. I will survive, moving a party outside the surgeon. In the middle portion now is Vice Mistress Zephyra. The next online is Midnight Break, moving a party outside Alice Wonderland. Asikuda down on the inside, that's my way. While Tricky Charlie's is the early trailer by about 8 lengths from last to first, and going along for the first turn. We have Suburban right behind. In second is the Surgeon. 2 lengths further back. In third comes Vice Mistress. Ifira comes next. And on the outside comes Alice Wonderland. That's my way. Asikuda. Then followed over by Midnight Break. I will survive. While Tricky Charlie's now racing in less. Back to the leader. We have the Surgeon by about 2 lengths. Ifira in second. Moving a party outside Alice Wonderland. That's my way. Is Vice Mistress Asikuda. Midnight Break comes next. Then followed over by entry number 4. And this one is Tricky Charlie Suburban. And I will survive now, racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have the Surgeon by about 3 lengths. And in second now is That's My Way. And on the outside, Ipira with about 100 meters of the race. We have the Surgeon. This time draws clear by about 4 lengths. Followed by That's My Way in second. And finally, it's the Surgeon. That's My Way, Ipira, Midnight Break, Tricky Charlie's Asikuda.
Ayun.